So welcome back to another day trade. So you can see here I just shorted around 1,000 share on Tesla, and it took around maximum 2 minutes this trade for me. And the reason why I open a short position, because the S&P is in very good position, and I know the S&P will fall down and also Tesla fall down. So that's why I just shorted 1,000 share on Tesla, and then I put my target around $1,000 on the flat. So you can see the S&P started coming down because it should be, because S&P was in pullback, and after pullback it'll coming down. So you can see on the right side the S&P starting coming down, and the Tesla also coming down. Hopefully this trade takes around maximum 2 minutes and was very fast, because I just got the trigger very fast. So that was very important. When you open a position, just be in the good place and good trigger. So that's why I just opened it. So you can see, and the Tesla is coming down, and yeah, just hit my target in a second. It was very fast, and then S&P is trying coming down again. Yeah, here was I also around 900 in the profit, and hit my target around, was here actually. Just waited. And here my target is hit very fast. So, and then after that, when hit it, so again the market is going up, because that was very good resistance there. So that's why the market trying to going up. And yes, so that was all, guys. Thank you for watching. And the point of this video, when you open a position, you should always be careful and see the index. It can be Nasdaq, it can be also S&P, and index is very important. So that will show you what exactly going on the market. So that was very important for today. And thank you for watching. And of course, make sure to subscribe the channel, and also click on the link in description if you want to use the Calmex Pro. And if you click on that link, you get also 1 month free fee for this broker, and then you don't need to pay any fee to the broker. So that's very good, and especially if you trade on a stock, this broker will give you very good option actually, so you don't need to pay too much fee to the other broker. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching. Of course, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much, and have a nice day, night or morning.